Beyond the horizon, on the place we live when we were young, in the world of madness and miracles. Our thoughts stream constantly without boundary. Ringing of the division bell had begun. Along the long road, down the causeway, today's and light to come. There was a ragged band that followed in our footsteps, running before time to call dreams away, leaving the myriad small creatures trying to tie us to the ground, to a life consumed by slow decay. The grass is greener, the light was brighter, with prayers around it. The nights are warmer, looking beyond the embers of bridges that way behind us, to a glimpse of our green it was on the other side.